Hi guys, Mudge here with Golden Motor. Today I have a real special one. Today we're going to be unboxing and assembling my Surron that just came in a couple of days ago. So let's get right into it. Alright, so she's finally assembled. We don't need this. Okay, so let's fire her up. So it's locked. All you need to do is push it down a little bit and it'll unlock and turn the key. After unlocking, plug the main power in. Okay, and there's a breaker in there that you need to turn on. It's behind the battery back here. Switched on. Unlock the case. It comes pre-charged with about 67% battery. The battery charger's on the other side. On this side, you just plug it in. What else? There's a USB port here to charge your phone. The keys right here. And let's fire her up. Yeah, I think she's ready. Let's give her, yeah. So I think it's time to take her out for a test run. Let's go. All right, guys, so we're out here. We're gonna test out the Surron now. It's a bit chilly, but fine, let's do it. It's in EP mode now. We're gonna test out EP mode, then we're probably gonna test out sport mode, and we'll see. We'll try to unlock it and try that out as well. So let's give it a go. The light's on now. The display's on as well. Horn's working, everything's good to go. The only thing left is, well, helmet. So I was able to get up to 25, but the acceleration is super slow. So let's put it into sport mode now. So now it's in sport mode. And let's give it a run now. Yeah, so now the acceleration is much crispier and snappier, and you're able to get 25 much faster. But it's still limited to 25. Let's try to unlock it and let's see what happens. Alright, so the bike's turned off. We're gonna take the keys out, open the cover. So again, to open the cover, you just gotta press down a little bit. So lock. Want to turn off the battery circuit and unplug the battery as well. Alright. So you just have to snip this green wire and cut it. I don't have any heat shrink, so I'll probably do that when I get back to the shop. But for now, we can just keep them separated. Alright, plug it back in. Plug in the battery. Alright. It wasn't turning on, and that was what I did wrong. I forgot to turn on the breaker. I'll put it in EP mode first, and let's see the difference. That's definitely better. I was able to get up to 36, but I believe the top speed is up to 47, 48. But it's not a full charge battery either right now. It's at about 75%. But yeah, I think it's fully unlocked now. We're gonna have a lot of mods coming soon. We have an upgraded battery coming as well, so that's gonna help with more torque. We're gonna put a large sprocket on the rear, and the bike is a little smaller for me, so I'm probably gonna put some seat extenders and some peg extenders, and probably some other mods too, just for the hell of it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.